Hey tech enthusiasts! Today we're diving into the latest MR2 update for the Honor 200 series. This update is packed with features that are sure to enhance your smartphone experience. This exciting update rolls out new AI features in the September 2024 security patch. These additions are designed to make your device smarter and more secure. If you're an Honor 200 or 200 Pro user in India, it's time to get excited. The update is rolling out now and it brings a host of improvements. Let's break down what's new and how you can install it. We'll cover everything from AI enhancements to security updates. First up, the AI eraser. This is one of the most talked about features in this update. This feature uses Google Cloud's generative AI to remove unwanted objects, text, or background elements from your photos. Imagine taking a perfect shot, only to find an unwanted object in the background. With AI Eraser, you can easily remove it. It's like having a professional photo editor in your pocket. No need for complicated software or skills. Snap a pic, and if there's something you don't like, just erase it. The AI does all the hard work for you. The AI fills in the gaps seamlessly, leaving you with a perfect image. It's almost like magic. Next, we've got face-to-face translation. This is a game changer for communication. This tool offers real-time translation for multiple languages using both voice and text inputs. Whether you're traveling or learning a new language, this feature is incredibly useful. Perfect for travelers or anyone learning a new language, it breaks down language barriers and makes communication easier. To enable it, head to Settings, then Assistant, and tap on Face-to-Face Translation. It's easy to set up and use. The MR2 update also includes the September 2024 Google security patch, making sure your device stays secure. Security is always a top priority, and this patch ensures your data is protected. Plus, there's USB data security. This feature adds an extra layer of protection. This feature enhances security by requiring user authentication when switching USB modes from charge-only to data transfer modes. It's a small but significant addition. And don't forget about split-screen app combinations. This feature is all about convenience. You can now save your favorite app combinations in split-screen mode as home screen icons for quick access. Multitasking has never been easier. Alright, now let's get into how to install the MR2 update. It's simple and straightforward. Go to your phone's settings menu, select System and Updates, tap Software Update, and hit Check for Updates. This will initiate the process. Your device will search for any pending updates. If the MR2 update is available, it will show up here. Once it finds the MR2 update, download and install it. Make sure your device is connected to Wi-Fi and has enough battery life. And there you have it. The update process is complete. Enjoy the new AI features and enhanced security on your Honor 200 series phone. These updates are designed to make your device more powerful and user-friendly. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech updates. Your support helps us bring you the latest in tech news. Catch you in the next one. Stay tuned for more exciting updates and reviews.